Guten Tag and welcome. I'm Fabian and this is Fabian's 30-minute meals. You might know me from such nature documentaries as Look at Them Nuts and Does Lightning Really Hurt? Today we're going to do pork chops, parmesan crusted pork chops, some nicely roasted cauliflower, and we're going to do roasted string beans along with it. It'll be super quick, super easy. If you can't do it in 30 minutes or less, you're doing it wrong. So we're going to prep our little breading. It's super easy. We'll just need some olive oil for the pork chop. Why did I hide it over here? Of course I did. We'll need some panko breadcrumbs. We'll need about a cup and a half. And we'll need a cup and a half of Parmesan cheese. So we'll mix this all together. So you're gonna watch me grind like a crazy person here. Wow, should have gotten one of the kids to help out.
Just for this part.
Just for this part.
Of course, you can switch hands.
This is not a left-handed grinder.
And then which way you turn it.
Well, I do it this way. I gotta go this way. This is right-handed. If you're left-handed, get the left-handed model.
Okay.
Alright, we'll need about a tablespoon of pepper, black pepper, on this. Tablespoon of garlic.
1 salt.
1 tablespoon of salt. Mix this all together. Right, that's it. No. Take a break.
Put it in the oven.
Alright, we'll need some pork loin.
Form our pork chops out of this. We just want a couple out of this. The other part we're going to use for something else at some other point.
Alright, gonna cut a couple like nice pork chops out of this. Of course, you can buy them pre-cut, bone on, bone off. And we'll cut them about 3/4 to 1 inch thick.
We'll just give these some olive oil. Rub them. Rub your meat. You want some? Take the pork chop and just put some breading on it. It's exciting stuff, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
Watching me bread some meat here. This is actually gluten-free up to this point. Well, actually, no, it's not gluten-free. What I'm talking about, we have breadcrumbs in there. If you want this gluten-free, just skip the breadcrumbs. You can just do straight up Parmesan, probably more paleo or keto at that point too. I got a silicone pad on there from Amazon Basics. See the link below. I don't know. Might as well start like marketing some of this crap, right?
Sure.
All right. We'll put our 6 pork chops on here. You can of course cover this in aluminum foil or whatever you want. We'll take the remainder and put our Parmesan on top here. So we're going to throw this in the oven at 350. Yeah, we'll put it in the middle.
We got the hand washing.
After the fact.
Got it on film, even though we're halfway through.
And we'll do this with cauliflower. So I got some cauliflower heads here. Yeah, I'll make 2. Whatever. Alright, we'll get these things off. And you can actually just slice this into like 1-inch steaks and then use the same Parmesan panko mix to just crust these if you wanted to. And instead of using pork chops, you can just do the cauliflower and make those like vegetarian, I guess, because if you're vegan, you can't use the Parmesan cheese. So it's like you're just going to slice them into like 1-inch steaks this way, and then you bread them. All good. All I'm going to do is just going to take the tattletales. All right, so we're going to do the second one real quick. Same procedure. So these guys are quick wins. Also put some olive oil on these guys. I like to add some garlic, you don't have to. A little bit of garlic powder here.
I should say so.
Coarse kosher salt. Of course you can use whatever salt you got. Some black pepper. Of course you can like do fresh crushed pepper. I feel kind of lazy after like doing all that cheese. So mix this around. A bit more space in there would be easier, but make some more space. Mix this up real quick. Oh, yeah. A little bit more olive oil. Alright. Roll this on here on the next baking sheet. Peppery. Alright. You can go like totally nuts on the Parmesan cheese and throw some more Parmesan cheese on top of all of those guys too, if you wanted to. So we'll throw these in as well. That'll take a little longer. We'll put them actually on the top rack for some extra roasting. So we got our string beans, so I gave these a quick rinse. So let's kind of chop the ends off real quick here. Just take a couple of them. If you have like super fresh ones, you can easily distinguish the front from the back. You only need to like the ones where they were actually connected to on the vine. I actually had one, well this one, you can see vine side, non-vine side, you can actually only technically cut this side off, let's cut both sides off. Roasted pan meals are all like super quick. You can mix like any type of vegetable in, or any type of do chicken breasts, or like pork loins, pork chops. You can even like roast like some steaks if you wanted to, and like add the vegetables in there. And it's all in the oven. It's all done in a really quick. It's like really quick to prep, and it's actually done really quickly. I thought the Parmesan was going to take me the longest. I guess it's the beans.
10 minutes.
10 minutes in?
10 minutes left.
Oh, 10 minutes left.
Yeah.
I guess I could cheat like some other cook shows that tell you it's like we can do this in half an hour, and they have like all their stuff already pre-proportioned, ready to go. No, we actually like washing our stuff and having to grab some. We're not actually running to the refrigerator, so I guess we're cheating a little bit. But if you're not cheating, you're trying hard enough. Alright, I'll finish with our string beans here. So we'll give these also some olive oil real quick. It's like soaked in there. Freshly peeled garlic from weeks ago. We'll squeeze these guys right on top. Alright, we'll also give these guys a little bit of pepper over the top. Some salt. Give this another quick mixeroo. If you have something with an actually lid that actually goes on, use that. Alright, we'll add some lemon. I've zest it. Put some of the. We'll get these nice and lemony. Quick shake. Aluminum foil. Throw these on here. Out. We'll slice this guy up real quick. Danger up top, isn't it? Alright, so put some slices. Yeah. Alright, so I'm going to throw this in as well. And all should be coming out about at the same time. Ooh, Steve. Can't see. Alright. Fatality. So we'll leave that in there probably another 20 minutes at this point till the pork chops reach internal temperature of like 165-ish. And we'll pull everything out. I'll get my little tester ready. Here it is. That's it for now. We'll come back and pull out the food and show you guys how it looks like. I'll check over here real quick. How we doing? Shake. We're getting close. Poke a pork chop. Oh yeah, we're like way good to go here. Wow. Yeah. Okay, we'll just pretend these are done. We are back. Our Parmesan pork chops have reached temperature. Everything else looks like it's done. So we're gonna pull this out and gonna start serving this up. So, our roasted cauliflower. We'll put this over here. Our roasted string beans. Look at those guys.
Lovely.
Our Parmesan pork chops. Mix it. Alright, so our pork chop is ready. We'll put this on a plate right here. We'll add some cauliflower right here. Hot, hot, hot. And we'll grab some of the string beans here as well. Ta-da! Parmesan crusted pork chops with roasted cauliflower and roasted string beans. You can try it out, see how it is. Always the first one to try.
That's right. It's the only reason to do this.
Yeah. So this is it. We've done our pork chops, cauliflower, and string beans. So this was Fabian's 30-minute meals. Alles gut, and we'll see you next time. Auf Wiedersehen, goodbye. Like whatever. We'll have a nice port. Auf Wiedersehen.
Everybody's gonna have some outtakes.